Hello, I am from Clear Voice English, and today I'm going to teach you how to order coffee in English. Let's go inside Starbucks. So the first thing we need to know is a little bit of Starbucks history. Starbucks was founded in 1971 and the first store opened in Seattle. Today, there are more than 33,000 Starbucks stores around the world. That number is crazy, right? And this shows us how popular coffee is around the world. People love coffee. And before we start talking about what you can order at Starbucks, let's talk about where does the coffee come from. At Starbucks, they use something called coffee beans. Now coffee beans are actually the seeds from the coffee plant. And guess what? The coffee plant is a tree. Yes, a tree. And coffee trees grow in warm climates. They do not like the cold. The main places where coffee is grown are in South America like Venezuela, Colombia, Guatemala, and many other places. Also, coffee is grown in Africa, too, like Ethiopia. Ethiopia is very famous for their coffee. At Starbucks, when you buy the coffee beans, you can actually scan this little barcode here and it will tell you exactly where your coffee is from. Okay. So once the coffee beans arrive at Starbucks, they are roasted. Now when we talk about roasting coffee, we are heating the beans to make them darker and to bring out the flavors and the smells. There are 3 different types of roasts. You have light roast, medium roast, and dark roast. The longer the beans are roasted, the darker they become and the stronger the coffee will be. If you don't like strong coffee, order a light roast. Okay, now that we know all about coffee beans, let's talk about what we can order at Starbucks. Here at Starbucks, you can get coffee hot or cold. So first, I will tell you the hot drinks and then I will tell you the cold drinks. When it comes to hot coffee, you can order an Americano. An Americano is a very popular drink at Starbucks. It's a strong coffee. Basically, it's espresso with hot water. You can ask for a macchiato. A macchiato is similar to an Americano, but it has less coffee. It has a little bit of milk in it. You can also order a latte. A latte is espresso with hot milk and foamed milk. Okay, next we have a cappuccino. A cappuccino is similar to a latte, but it has more foam. So if you like a lot of foam in your coffee, order a cappuccino. A cappuccino has equal parts of espresso, hot milk, and milk foam. Also, you can order a mocha. A mocha is a chocolate drink. It's a mix of espresso, chocolate syrup, steamed milk, and milk foam. Yummy. And of course, all of these drinks that I mentioned, you can get them iced. Just say to the barista, "Can I get that iced?" And if you like coffee with a lot of ice, you can also ask for extra ice. Now we have another popular drink here at Starbucks. It's called a Frappuccino. A Frappuccino is a blended drink. So it's iced coffee that is blended with milk and sugar. It's very delicious. And it comes in different flavors like caramel, mocha, cinnamon dolce, which means sweet cinnamon in Italian. And there are many other flavors to choose from. Now let's talk about caffeine. Some people are sensitive to caffeine. It's the ingredient in coffee that makes you feel awake. If you don't want a lot of caffeine, you can order decaf coffee. Decaf means low caffeine. So it's basically coffee with less caffeine. You can also order half and half coffee or Half-Caf, which means half of the coffee will be regular and the other half will be decaf. Let me show you how I order my coffee at Starbucks. I'm gonna go inside and I do now order a hot white chocolate mocha with whipped cream on top. And I'm also going to order a pastry to go with my coffee. Okay, here I am at the Starbucks. Hi there. I would like to order a hot white chocolate mocha. Could I also get a pastry menu? Okay, perfect. I think I'm gonna get a banana nut bread to go with my coffee. Could you warm that up for me, please? Thanks. Perfect. Here is my order. It's a white chocolate mocha. And if you look here, it says, "Thanks for being a part of our story." Well, Thank you, Starbucks, for teaching me how to order coffee in English. At Starbucks, they have special names for their sizes. Small is called tall. Medium is called Grande, which means large in Spanish. And large is called Venti, which means 20 in Italian. So Venti means big. And if you want a lot of coffee, you should order a Venti. This has been my coffee lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have time, grab a coffee and enjoy it. Take a moment and relax. I know that coffee can be expensive. My total was $6.23. It's a little bit pricey, right? But you know, sometimes we have to spend a little bit more to get a little bit more. So don't be afraid to treat yourself. And remember, everyone starts somewhere. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. And if you do make a mistake, laugh at yourself and keep trying. And as always, thanks for watching.